Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming parts and laying them out so nothing slows you later. Start by orienting the track base flat on a cleared table. This prevents wobble as you add sections. Once done, sort the 6 penguins and connectors by type so you can grab them without searching. Make sure to keep the small tools, Phillips #0 and tiny hammer, within arm's reach. Having tape helps align pieces quickly and keep spacing consistent. You now join the track sections methodically, aligning tabs into slots so they click together. This prevents misalignment later. Once joined, insert the connectors into each joint and tap pegs lightly with the hammer to secure them. Too hard can split plastic, so use measured force. As you attach ramps, orient them to the marked 15-degree angle to ensure penguins gain consistent momentum. Make sure to test run a single penguin after 2 sections to catch any binding early. You finish by placing each penguin on the start line and checking that their bases sit flat so they won't tip. Run 3-time trials to observe behavior. Note stalls, veering, or slow starts. If a penguin drifts, make small adjustments to ramp angle or tighten/loosen specific pegs to restore alignment. If joints are too tight, ease connectors just enough to allow smooth motion. If pieces bind, apply a tiny amount of mild lubricant at the contact points to restore reliable runs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.